everybody. Yo. Morning, morning, people. Now price come to the left, took 1, 2, 3, 4 relatively equal highs, or this was the fourth, and started to sell off. Build up, pushed up, took this high out. Then we had higher low, higher high, higher low, lower high, lower low coming down there. Oh, as to be honest, this looks like an invalid zone.
China's foreign ministry spokesperson Mao repeating that Takaichi should retract Taiwan comments.
China and Taiwan ready to go at it as well. Brilliant. Okay.
At 2:30 a.m. Eastern Time, we get Swiss non-farm payrolls. Prior, 5.532 million.
I'm bullish on computer and time. Bro, the prices are going crazy, man. I was looking at DDR5, Corsair Vengeance, yeah, the white one with the RGB. I could get two for 64 gig, yeah, for like £180. Bear in mind, that's a seriously good deal because I think the average you sell for about 250, 300. Now they're gonna buy about 100 quid, $100, man. Yo. Because of all this freaking RAM request in it, all this AI bollocks. RAM's gone through the roof. Still haven't bought anything yet. But yeah, RAM's gone through the roof, mate. Bloody through the roof. What are you saying on gold? I want to go short.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
For me, it looks like shorts are better to go because price can't talk equal lows, equal highs here on M5. Had a beautiful rejection, broke structure, then it's going to come back up and hopefully reject here, then drop down. So I would like to take longs. I got limits set and everything, but I'm ready to cancel the limits just in case anything happens. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. .5p.
At 2:30 a.m. Eastern Time, we get Swiss non-farm payrolls. Prior 5 spot 532 million.
See what happens then. I like the look of GU longs. Entries are going to be around 8:30, which is a safe time. Now we've got to think about this. This looks like a very tight zone, bloody hell. I would not want to take that. 84. Do 85. I would have to do a bigger SL because I'd end up hitting the max lot limit on that. On most of the accounts, I won't be able to even trigger that on most of the accounts, to be fair. Did you buy anything for Black Friday, Francis, or not? I'm not taking anyway. I just don't like the look of it. Such a tight order block, bro. You're talking 1.8 pips. Yeah, I would just insanity, that. I would have liked if price broke there, to be fair, but no. been hard to read price action on M1 for current price action.
1 minute remaining.
Oh yeah, this is for CPI, for CHF. People would want to see this low because of its safe haven status currency.
Seconds.
Yes, exactly. I mean,
5.532 million. 5.532 million.
my reason to go short gold is you had these relatively equal highs at the Asia midline that got taken and dropped down. And then we broke structure here, made a new low. We could technically even say these are relatively equal lows. Looks like sells are more valid. Price is slowly correctively coming up. I wanted it to come take out this high from the midline and then drop down to these equal lows. So just catch a move from like here down to here, because I only need 0.5%. So that's what I was kind of thinking, innit? Something along the lines of that. So yeah. And I've got 0.2% risk on there because I'm up 4.2%. And I only need to make 0.5. So yeah. It's a 50 pip SL, which is a bit tight on gold, but you can see how it goes. Stock CFD. What is a stock CFD? I don't even know what that is, bro. Oh, I didn't even. Oh, stock CFD. I don't even know what that actually is, bro. Like a stock CFD. Go pushing up. Let's see how this goes. Either the price is gonna come slap the zone or it's gonna take it out. But I can't believe GJ gave that move so quick. I didn't even see that. Literally, I didn't even see that. It just happened so quick. Damn it. That'd have been lovely as well right there. I'd have just literally taken off the 0.5% as soon as it happened. Oh no. Oh no. Yeah. I'm not sure. I like how that's fully balanced price now. So now if GU pushed up and broke structure, I'd be very keen on going long. Just because big volume come up, contracted, now filled all that, and I like to see it push up again. I'm not too sure. I don't think you can. I know it's an indices, so you trade contracts, and whenever you, I don't know, I'm not sure, bro. You'd have to ask the question. I've got no idea. I know you can trade stocks and stuff like that, but they're traded on contracts, aren't they? So I don't know what you mean about. Yeah, I don't know. Ask ChatGPT. I got no idea. I don't really look at stocks in it because there's no point for me anyway. Let's start setting some alerts so I don't miss any more trades. Are you thinking about getting into stocks? With stocks, you want to do a lot more research in it. Quarterly projections, all that. I've never really looked into stuff like that because I just focus on like one or two things at a time. I don't really get into so many things at one time unless you're very experienced, I suppose then you could, but if you're not very experienced, you might just want to hold down on one thing that you're finding success in rather than trying to jump in a whole bunch of things and then just kind of get overwhelmed, if you catch what I mean. So just be mindful of that. Like, I want to learn options and I want to learn futures as well, but I'm not going to do that until I started to make some money from this and get a good level of experience from Forex and stuff like that before I start branching out. Otherwise, you're never going to get success in anything, are you? It's like strategy hopping. You're hopping from here to there to everywhere, but you haven't even allowed anything to actually work its magic yet. You know? Okay, I'm in on gold. Let's see what happens then. Either this is going to be a quick SL or there's going to be some money made here. And what price was the entry? Exactly 42.50. So I'm in on gold now. And the TP is pretty much the 0.5%. So let's see how this goes. It just needs to drop down to about here. We're good. It's come up, it's taken this high. I'd like to see rejection now on gold. If it doesn't reject, it's gonna be a L. We're already up 1R. No, we're not. It's like half an R. I'll probably go break even after it breaks this structure here. I'd be happy if I catch this trade in a TP, because then I can just request a payout on the 50k account and get that 2,500 or whatever it is, and just not trade anything else if you catch me. That's kind of the plan anyway. Whether if it happens is totally different. I needed to make how much? So I needed to make 0.5% off of 0.5% off of let's try and figure out how much it was again. So 5211.2.09 plus 0.5%, 260. How many lots have I got on that bad boy? 260, 1.8, so 260 plus 80 pence. Okay, no, plus 0.8, 260. So I need to make 261 really, 261.30. I think my TP is far beyond that. But if I find a prop firm that I'll start trading, see if there's more branch out once I master. Yes, of course, yeah. Just focus on obviously the one thing at a time, innit? That's gonna be the best always. Just focusing on one thing at a time. Gave a lovely rejection, but now started to push up again, so let's see what happens here, innit? You can go two ways. Either you make money or you lose money, innit? If I'd have gone break even straight away, then I would have probably been tagged out. So I'm just gonna wait a minute and see how this 5-minute candle closes, and then I'm gonna start adjusting stop loss. I want to see rejection of this level, to be fair, like strong rejection to show that sellers are stepping in around that Asia midline level. Yen not doing much. Pounds come to this demand zone. Let's see if it does anything in that demand zone. What if it does not do anything in that demand zone? Okay, we're getting into drawdown now. This could quite easily come slap me out. If it does, it is what it is. I need to see a rejection from here, otherwise it's gonna take that. I'm gonna take a L. If I do take an L, it is what it is. I'm not bothered. It's coming up. Hard to take that level out. I'm gonna let it take it out. I'm not gonna cut it early, just gonna let it hit. It's gonna do a big push now through this level, watch. There we go. About to tag me up. So close. There you go. Tagged out on gold. Beautiful. I'd have taken that trade all day long. At least that's minimum days done. I just need a TP now, really. Going nowadays, yeah, they probably are, man. I don't really have the data though, innit, for what days Mondays are good or anything, gold is good or anything, because I haven't traded gold like that in so long. But I seen a trade and I thought, you know what, I just need to make 0.5%. I'm happy to take that risk. I only risked 0.2 because I was up 4.23% or something like that. So I'm still up 4%, so it's not the end of the world. And if I find a 1 minute trade, then I'm happy to take an M1 trade in it, and then just, as I said, just make the 0.5%, which now turns into 0.7%. But if I'm risking 0.25%, just 3 hours all I need, really. So I'm still happy with that. No problem, I suppose. Tuesdays and Thursdays are fire though. What about Wednesdays then? You reckon Wednesdays aren't good? Initially, I had the SL at this high here, and then I was thinking to myself, you know what? I don't even need something that high. I could just catch a tighter entry. But if it does come down now, then lesson learned, innit? Because initially I had 110 pip SL, I think it was. And then I was like, you know what, I'm just going to cut it short. And then I did a 55 instead. But 55 is very tight on gold. Like we all know 55 is really tight on gold. So yeah. CHF is going a bit mad. Yen's just chilling. I think it would have got tagged, you know, on this account because spreads and price difference and stuff. I cut it a bit earlier. Just so it works out the loss is exactly 0.2. So I've got exactly like 4% on the account, but it looks like I might have made a mistake there. If it is, I'm not bothered, to be fair. Yeah, look at that. Let's see if the account would have... Where's the pencil thing? Oh, there's a likelihood I might not have got tagged. Wow, okay. Well, that's interesting, isn't it? Welcome to trading, I suppose. These things happen in trading. Can't really get away from it. That's why when you risk small, bro, you're not emotionally bothered because it's just like it's a small risk anyway, so I'm not that concerned. And that's where people go right on trading, and that's where people go wrong on trading when they don't do that. Used to have 75 SL as my max, kept getting stopped out and before price proceeding to my TP. Now even for the 300 based on volatility of the day, but the same huge. Yeah, of course. Yeah, of course. I mean, it makes complete sense, doesn't it? Look at yen go. Oh wow. As I said, that would have been a good trade, but just way too late on that. Way too late on that. But if I would have done a 4.5, that'd have been a good. He would have been sat in a lot of consolidation, which for me is suspicious. I mean, look at that, 20 minutes, bro. I don't know. Around here, I'd start thinking about going break even. So that is so sus, man. But at least here it gave the push. But yeah, I just wasn't looking at that when it happened, so very unfortunate. Very, very, very unfortunate. Yeah, golden, it has crazy TPs. It has crazy TPs in it. I used to target average like 500 to 700 pips or something like that when I used to trade gold before. When I used to catch like a 10 pip SL or something like that. No, that's not right. Used to target. Yeah, I used to target about 100 pips. What am I talking 500? Yeah, I used to target on 10 pip SL, 10 to 15 pip SL on gold, and I used to target about 50 to 100 pips. So yeah, you do get good volume on there, man. That's mad, bro. Look at that. So I cut it earlier, then it dropped down. That would have been break even there just to be safe, and then it probably would have got tagged anyway because gold is gold, you know. Does all the stupid stuff it wants to do. These days the markets have been a bit tricky, man. I don't know what your opinion to that is, but it's been a bit huh? So I've got to do at least 0.5% by the end of this week. Yeah, I need at least one trade by the end of this week. I might be a little bit more aggressive on the 50k. For example, if I'll have a bigger entry in a bigger SL and stuff like that, because I'm just aiming for 0.5. So you know how sometimes I get swerved and stuff like that. I'm gonna have bigger SLs and bigger entries just to allow the trade to enter. But that's about it, I guess. I think everything else is gonna remain the same. Phase 2, yeah, that's good, bro. Just relax, man. You need to calm yourself down. You get way too excited, bro. Amal, how old are you? Amal needs cooking, man. Amal, how old are you? I think you're like 18, 19, 20. Yeah, you just, you're all sabr, relax, man. Every time she's like, "Wah," doing gorilla chest pound. I'll pass phase on her. Okay, relax, bro. What about you? Call me uncle. Call me uncle. Yeah, that's you, bro, legit. You need to relax, bro. That is gorilla. He is like 69. Yeah, exactly. Old as hell, bro. I got white hairs. Look, wait, let me just. I got white hairs somewhere there. Somewhere there, I got white hairs. Why am I talking like this? Yeah, 30 plus, yeah. I'm 33. I took a loss about 10 minutes ago on gold. If I had a bigger SL, I would have been okay. I did adjust my SL and then it tagged my SL and then it dropped, so that's annoying. Yeah. 33 is old. No, it's okay. Why are you sad to hear that? This is bro, the sadness is an emotion. Yeah, in trading we have a no emotion. We just say okay, no problem, that's it. Okay, no problem, that's it. You don't say, oh, I'm sorry for you, or oh, I'm happy. Even if you see me catch $100 a day, don't say I'm happy for you. Say well done, the strategy works, that's it. Don't say, oh, I'm happy for you. That's emotions. I don't like emotions. We are like a robot, you know a robot? We are like a robot. Euro long's possible, bro. I would like to go long on euro, yes. Also the pound. But hard to say. We got Frankfurt high right here. Put ceremony. Yes, it is. You know, I want this zone to fail now. I want this to fly, slap that zone, fly, take Asia high. Just say that, like, it makes me feel a bit better in it. Not really, I don't care. Because emotions are not important. Blah. Okay, London open on the minute doing a move. London open on the minute also doing a move here after coming into a demand zone right there. Okay, let's have a look at this. I really do like the look of longs, to be fair, man. And you got a bunch of highs over here on Frankfurt too. We will look, man, we will look. Let's see where the opportunity comes from. And if it does come, if it does happy, we'll take it. Okay, so that's just come up and taken these guys.
Everybody, this is Donald J.
Assalamu alaikum, Donald Diddly do Trump. Diddly do Trump.
.com/purchase.
That
on a subscription.
Well,
Isn't that one
that
big, huge, brilliant deal? Come on, people.
Okay, so actually I like the look at GBPCHF, I can't lie. Look at London open on the minute, took out the structural high, which is what? Oh, okay. It's midline. It's Asia midline high. Okay. Okay. That's not bad. We'll work with that. Let's see if it gives a breaker structure and lets us try to get into an entry. If it does, I'm willing to go short in GBPCHF. I like Euro longs as well. Beautiful morning, Monday morning. It's looking superb. Yeah, I took a loss already on gold. Only on the 50k account, just 0.2%. Just trying to make that 0.5, so I'm still up 4%, so no problem. So yeah. Also, I'm gonna buy another challenge with the payout I've got. I was gonna get a 400k challenge, but I just don't have the money in the piggy bank for a 400k. So I'm gonna go and get a 200k challenge 3-step, but I might fail this one because it's actually got quite hard rules, but it's the best option I could find out of all the prop firms I got deals on at the moment, without consistency, without minimum profitable days, any of that stupid stuff that allows trade copying. So yeah, bit of a sticky one. Nope, I'm not going to fivers. Why would I go to fivers? I'm not ready for that yet, bro. It's only been 1 year. It's only been 1 year, bro. Give me like 2-3 years, bro. When I'm like absolutely slaying the markets, yeah, then don't worry, innit? Then we do big tika. Big tika then. Money is a Monday. Money is money. Oh, they said money is Monday, bro. My brain is not braining today. Oh, what the hell, man? It's come tagged an invalid zone with that. You bloody Egypt. You bloody Egypt. Okay, so now this has turned into a difficult matter now. So CHF has done a beautiful sell-off. 18 pips in how many minutes? 18 pips in 5 minutes. Yeah, I've never seen CHF volume that good. Never seen CHF volume that good. But all that does now is make me want to go long, unfortunately. And guess why? Guess why I want to go long now? Because we've come and taken all of these lows. Literally a bunch of lows right there. By how many pippers? By 0.5 pippers. I'll take that. Euro's come down, taking Frankfurt low. Pound yen's taking Frankfurt low. Left Frankfurt high available. With that massive wick on the upside. I love the look of that. Traders are going to be all over shorts on here. They're stupid. I just need confirmation for an entry. Yalla. Give me confirmation for entry. They've taken Frankfurt low. We've got Frankfurt high left. Come on. Give me something clean. Euro is moving mad right now. Euro is moving mad right now. Look at that. Look at that. It's done. 13 pips is not amazing, but yeah. Euro is lovely right now. Yes, it is very lovely indeed. I did want to go long, but it's gone. Price has gone. Okay, I like the look of this. If this invalid zone fails, I'm gonna wait for a demand zone and probably go long from there. I was speaking about longs before. Yeah, I know. Look at that go. Look at that go. So in 7 minutes, 15 pips. CHF was way better. CHF, bro, in 5 minutes did 18.5 pips. 5 minutes. Bro, that's 5 minutes, yeah? And man caught like what? You could catch like freaking 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6 R, I don't know. How much R? Let's say you had a 3 pip SL. Actually on this it'd probably be 3.5 pips in it. Let's say you had it there. 18 pip move. Yeah, man. There'll be like 4 R there. Unless obviously you caught to like right in the middle or something, then it'd be a bit more. But yeah, either way, that's good. Good move. Is London Open in it? It's the London Open move where, yeah. I'm just explain that right now. It's GBPCHF. You've had London Open just to curse the volumes coming in the market. That's the best way to explain it in the quickest way. Now we've come, taken these highs. a 0.2. For me, that is pretty much an equal high. I want pound to come take the invalid zone out and give me a long opportunity, and then I'm willing to get in that. Oh, I forgot to say good morning to you guys.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont, brother. We are trading today, brother. TPSL, we take both today, brother. Oh dear. Amal, when you reply, remember, just control your emotions, yeah? Just control your emotions. Amal's psychology is next level, David, I'm telling you. Thank you so much, means a lot. It's a big ay Allah. As I control your emotions, he's like, thank you so much. The biggest achievement in my life. La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. Allahu Akbar. Bashi, watch GBPUSD. Bro, I'm watching it in a London Open manipulation, I know. Time for a harem of yo.
Haram! Brother,
it's basically London Open based manipulation, isn't it? So London Open took out Asia midline on GBPCHF. So if you go to M15, Ali, this London Open on the minute, literally London Open on the exact minute, has come and taken out a certain level. If you go on M15, you'll see it's in Asia. It's took out the Asia midline structural high. That's why London Open's having that move right there. M15, yeah, I'll do it really quickly, innit? Shouldn't do on 30-minute time frame. Might be easier for you to see. So price took out this Asian midline structural high bang on the minute. That's why it's having that big reaction. There you go. I hope you've seen that. Okay, there's an entry here on Euro. I don't like the look of taking an entry on Euro after it's just done a 16 pip move. I don't want to take it from that demand zone. I'm happy to just let that go in case it tags and flies off again. Alright, cool, no problem. If it tags, it gives reaction and flops, that's fine. Looks like a good sell on Bashy CHF TP at previous low. Mumkin, we're just looking at how price action is. I'm actually looking at buys right now intraday. Because yes, we had that lovely reaction. We've had the London Open in 7 minutes do an 18.5 pip move, which is a lot. But what have we just seen is come and taken out 1, 2, 3, 4 relatively equal lows right here. And we've had a massive move, so I'm waiting for price to come back up to that zone again. That's what I'm thinking anyway. Also, by the way,
welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
Assalamu alaikum, brother. I want the brother. I don't know where to find that from. Okay, so Euro still flying, pounds going up still, took out this invalid zone. Brother, I don't know what I'm probably walaikum salam, brother, I'm guessing. Oh man. So yeah, price is going. I think the cleanest one to go long is yen. Please don't be a horrendous stop loss. Oh shit. It's a big ass. It's on the 30-second chart in it. Don't like the look of this. Don't like the look of this. 90. Can we do 95? Yeah, 95. Can we do 4.5? Yeah. I might be entering off a 30-second chart today. Might be entering off with a 30-second chart. It doesn't matter. The Tories were just as bad. At least Starmer was a bit different because Starmer said that we are gonna have tough times from how the Tories messed us over with the economy. We're gonna have to now tighten our belts and stuff like that. And then which he has to make money from somewhere. It's gonna have to come from the people, innit? It's as simple as that. And then everyone got angry about it. Like, what do you expect Labour to do if Tories have put the country in a so much $1 trillion debt, pound debt? What are you gonna do? Like, I don't understand. And then they're blaming him for everything. Bro, Tories are the ones who've done all this stuff in the first place. But Brits are so stupid, they don't understand anything. Yeah, they blame the migrants, innit? You know, like, I've turned into like a really massive racist on Facebook, you know? All my English friends, I just say to them, like, the middle finger, innit? I just say, all of you like go to our Muslim countries, yeah? All of you lot want Sharia law, but when you say the name Sharia, you get scared, yeah? But you want rapists to get hanged. You want people who steal and stuff to get their hands chopped off because that's Sharia law. But you say the word Sharia, think, oh, that's Muslimic, we don't want that. But then you're happy to go to Dubai, Egypt, Tunisia, Morocco, Algeria, freaking all these countries on vacation, yeah? They're the Muslim countries you're flipping hating on. Sorry, bit of a rant there. Sorry. sorry. I threw a tantrum, sorry. Bloody Maginones. Absolute bloody Maginones. Hey, why you not failed? Why you not failed in this zone, eh? Eh? Stupid gold. Stupid. Yeah. I'll just call it why I think the UK is horror. Wallah, he made before I said my honest feelings on, you'll be like, right, this guy's savage. But I can't in it. But I tell you, I'm so savage, bro. So savage. Okay, so let's go back to GBPCHF on the M1 time frame. Pumped up that level, drop down. I think we're still bullish on GBPCHF. What was the news that happened? It was news, wasn't it? Oh, Swiss, yeah. Non-farm payroll. Previous. Come out the exact same as previous, so there's no change. Okay, there's no change. That's fine, no problem, mate. Okay, let me read some comments now because you guys are firing comments out left, right, center, and I just couldn't focus. Time for when pound has no business going up. That is so funny. Pound has no business going up. Lol, that is funny. M15, yeah, don't like that time. Looks like a good sell on Bashy TP previous. Wallah, if pound keeps going up, then FX makes it. Let me pull out the laughing board again. But the pound economy data in the mud, plus with the cooling in CPI, there's a high chance of a rate cut. Economical data plus central banks primarily moving to a currency should find Starmer. Euros flying. There's some news in Euro. Honestly, Starmer or no, it's gonna stay bad. That's what I'm saying. It's really bad. The Tories messed up so much, yeah, that I think they knew this was gonna happen, which is why they probably didn't rally to have another term policy, because they knew this is gonna happen, and they probably thought, let's let Labour win, make things look really bad, and then when we come back, everyone will be like, oh, thank God the Tories are back. And then they just keep stealing money. That's it's politics, and it makes sense. It's a political move. Probably should re-enter the EU to fix some of this. We got the new guy running now, innit? The Jewish guy, but he's actually like a good Jew, innit? He's Reform, or so, not Reform, Green Party, and they're more like, you know, left wingers and stuff like that. The Friday news is the garbage for UK, right? Yeah, UK is just really bad right now. They keep blaming migrants. Yes, back to, yeah, of course, go on vacation. Scotland, Highlands is amazing there. Yeah, but it's really cold as well, so I can tell you've never been to UK, because it's flipping freezing in Scotland. I want to go to Jamaica, get my PB rubbed off by Big Booty. Oh.
Fui yo.
Fui yo, big time, fui yo. Okay, Euro is on one. Look at that. Euro is absolutely on one. Euro's like Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Oh, Ali, you're gonna like this one. This one's hilarious. Listen.
Alaikum salam.
That was good. I like that. Bro, did you take NFP? Yeah, assalamu alaikum. Walaikum assalam. That was good. I like it. Okay, now you've taken. That's perfect to play when price is near SL. Yeah, exactly. So we're just seeing Euro come up, take Asia high. Price on pound is right near Asia high as well. This is interesting. GBPCHF tagged the invalid zone. Can't really trade from there now because you could continue to make a lower low, which is fine if it does that. Let's go to M5. I want to look at what is gold doing. After I took a L on gold. Small L. I'm still up 4% on the account. As I said, I just need to make 0.5% in this week, just one day, and then payout done, locked in. 2.5 bag. No, 2 bag. No, profit split. 16 bag. 1.6 bag. GBPUSD conversion. Probably like 1.3-ish. I don't know. Something like that. So there was an entry here after price broke structure, but I don't like the fact that it just tagged it straight in 1 minute. My preference is when it breaks structure like that. Let me just make this cleaner in it, because then this is a good teachable moment. When we see price break structure, I want it to like break structure. Damn it. Break structure like that. And then give me chance to get in. And then go long. That's my preference. That's like the yay entry model. This is the oh no entry model. When price does this, yeah. It just comes up, takes the zone and straight back down. That's the boo entry model. Everyone understand? Good. Obviously you need momentum there as well. You need to see buys are looking more cleaner than sells. It would be annoying if I don't make 0.5% this week, because it means I have to wait another 2 weeks and look for another 2 days of 0.5%, which I don't mind, because then all it means is I might end up getting like a fat 10% payout, to be fair, which is fine. But obviously I want to bank money ASAP, so I can start using that money in my own personal account and stuff like that. Price is coming down to that demand zone now. But now the issue we have is price broke structure there, and now it's don't do signaling a reversal here into this demand zone. I don't like the look of that. Don't like the look of that at all. I don't want to see price doing higher highs and higher lows and then breaking structure from the first zone, and then I try to enter here. How do I know that zone's gonna hold? Price could keep coming down and take out that zone as well, because that could be a channel. That's why I don't like the look of going long right here, because of that. It just looks very suspicious. Wonder where Sahad is. Bomba Clark. That's perfect to play near price. I say yes. All I want for my birthday is a big booty. Oh. Chef, what you doing, mate? What you doing? I would like to go long. But this zone is more relevant than this zone. But there's no direction on M1. It's hard to catch a direction. So that's why I'm kind of sat in between both. But I think that right now longs look cleaner, but I can see why shorts would work out as well. But as I said, I would prefer longs. Euro's ran out of puff, I think now. I think Euro's done. Did any of you guys buy anything for Black Friday or not? I'm gonna buy TradingView again. I will renew it on the live stream probably. I'll do it today because it ends tomorrow. I actually need to do it today because it ends tomorrow. And then I'm gonna get a account as well with another prop firm. I wanted to get the 400. So one prop firm does a 400k account, but it's a 3-step. Phase 1 5%, phase 2 5%, phase 3 5%. They might not do a sale, and what I would say to you, Ali, is if you've got one prop firm challenge with them, go to a different prop firm. Don't stay with them. Startbox, I wouldn't even bother. Fundamentals are so easy, bro, and he gives it for free anyway. You're just gonna have one friend that's crazy enough to pay for it, and then just ask him to send you screenshots every week. Done. Like it's simple as that. Rather than spending all that money, you rather. Actually, it depends on you as a trader, innit? If you're still finding profitability, then yeah, it's a tool to help you become profitable. If you've got profitability, then you just need to get capital. You need to make that choice yourself, innit? I'd say the top guys in it, funding Pips, FTMO, E8, FX2, Alpha Capital Group, I would say Quantecal, but they have a rule where you need to be an intraday trader, so it doesn't work for swing traders. What else? You'd have to check if they're swap free, bro. They will offer a swap free account. Like they will offer some sort of swap free availability for sure. Let me look at my list. Where's my list? Okay, ACG funded, FTMO, FX2 funding, funding pips or funded pips, whichever one is called. E8. Yeah, just go with them. They're the ones who've been around the longest. And just look for whoever offers a swap free account. But I don't think any of them have Black Friday offers. I think your best bet's gonna be FTMO. But they do 100k at the moment really cheap, and they do a 10k really cheap. So if I was you, just go to the 10k account with FTMO. Yeah, just get the 10k. Just get the 10k account. Yeah, what's wrong with 15%? Can you not make 15%? Is that too hard? Uncle Roger's gonna give you some wise words. Listen here.
Why so weak? So weak.
Brother, why so weak? Bro, you're talking about 2%. Relax, man. You're talking about 2%. You got FTMO, which is the best prop firm by far, yeah? And you're talking about 2%. He's talking about 2%, yeah? And you're talking about the best prop firm there is. And he's talking about 2%. Wallahi.
Huh? Are you dumb?
I think she's dumb. I think she's dumb. Are you? Like medically speaking.
Like medically speaking, are you dumb? I'm only messing with you, Aki. And 400k FTMO, 200k Farverson next. That's 1 mil right there, 1% a month. Well, for me, the plan is wait a second. Damn it, shorts on GU, bought prices going, no entry. Okay, that's fine, no problem. Okay, where were we going? So I'm gonna go to FXify. They have a 400k account, which is brilliant because if I had the 400k, I would literally set me at 1 million. But their rules are really bad. They've got consistency, everything like that. The only challenge they don't have consistency on and lot size limit on and allow trade copying is the 3-step account. Now, this is hard because the daily drawdown and maximum drawdown is both 5%. Phase 1 is 5%, phase 2 is 5%, phase 3 is 5%. So I'm doing a 1-to-1 times 3. So it's a bit of a sticky one. But they're doing 40% off on a 200k account, and it's about $300 for a 200k account or something like that. Now, 3-step is hard because their rules are crazy. Their drawdown is
President Lee says
1-to-1.
If peace is established
That's
on the
hard.
Korean Peninsula, it is better to cease
So
US
I'm
South
thinking
Korea
about getting the
joint
200k
military
account with them. But if I blow an account, that might be the first one I blow. Hey D, welcome bro. Karibo Ndugu.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
So I'm thinking about grabbing that. Now with them, you can have 800k on a trade copier. But you can only have one account of each size. So one 400k, one 200k, one 100k. So I'll probably do that and just have 700k on a copier with them. So I'm going to start off with the 200. See if I can pass that. If I can pass that, I'll go to the 400. Then if I can pass that, I'll go to the 100. But that might take a lot of time because I'm gonna have to cut risk. It's a bit of a difficult one in all honesty. Gold is doing nothing. The markets are very flat today. The markets are very, very flat today. Morning. The most important thing for me is allowing news trading because some of our trades close during news. It's normally 5 minutes after or 5 minutes before. So I think you're good. Now with me, I always wait 10 minutes. I'll wait 10 minutes after or 10 minutes before. Always. Or even if my account says 2 minutes, I'd still wait 10 minutes after. That way they can't say anything about when you took the trade or anything like that. Like 10 minutes is just extra safe. Yeah, but I think yeah, I suppose so. With me, I don't really trade news anyway, so yeah. I try to avoid trading news in it first.
EU Sevkovich says, I had productive talks with Lutnick and Greer in the last 2 days.
Yeah, that makes sense. I got you. So it looks like this trade did work out from here. Where was it? It's 4.5, wasn't it? On that zone there. How long would it have been in? Would have been in there for a while though, but as I said, I don't want to take it if I'm seeing breaks of structures and price signaling a reversal. I don't want to start looking to take a trade there, because that means that you're starting to see price exhausting in that direction, or whatever you want to call it, price slowing down, signaling a reversal, whatever. Gold is still struggling as well. Interesting. So yeah, that's my plan anyway. Get an FX if I can. I'll probably get that in the next day or two. I'm just waiting for them to sort out a couple of things. And then I'll get the 200k 3-step, which is going to be hard. That's going to be hard. And then I need to get TradingView today. And then that's me done for in terms of Black Friday expenditure. Euro is definitely run out of puff now. Look at that. It's been pretty much ranging now since the last 20 minutes. Been kind of going sideways. GBPCHF pretty much similar thing. Volume coming in London open.
Says for South Korea, an alliance with the US and economic ties with China do not have to be they don't have to be contradictory.
Yen's the only one that I'm thinking is going to do a nice move.
Yusefkovic says, I will discuss aspects of critical and raw materials with US counterparts.
Are you guys looking at anything or not? In the chart. In the market of the chart. Also, don't forget to hit like, thank you. Allahu Akbar. Oh, I need to order some computer stuff as well, actually. Forgot about that. Also, Sacramento, you can talk to OT because he's into stocks and stuff as well. Just have a look at all the other pairs to see what everything else is doing. VIX is down 3%. Indices are up. Silver's around break even. Bitcoin's at 86. Oil is down 0.5. UJ's up 0.3. USD CAD's pretty much zero. CHF JPY is up. Yeah. JPY up. Euro JPY up. Yeah. Euro GBP up also. Today's not so cold, I think. Actually, it is quite cold. Damn it. GBPCHF is falling. Falling.
At 4 a.m. Eastern Time, get German IFOs. Expectations forecast 91.6 on the prior 91.6. Current conditions forecast 85.5 on the prior 85.3. And business climate forecast 88.5 on the prior 88.4.
And question becomes, do I go long on this level? Why is Nick awake at this time? I don't like it. Oh, hey CS, welcome, bro. Long time no see.
At 4 a.m. Eastern Time, we get German IFOs. Expectations forecast 91.6 on the prior 91.6. Current conditions forecast 85.5 on the prior 85.3. And business climate forecast 88.5 on the prior 88.4.
How you doing, man? Been busy projects. Yeah, that's good. That's good. How's your trading going? I don't know if they're here or not. Boys, I don't know if you're here or not, but CS is here and he's saying hi to me, Francis, and Ali. Just in case you're like AFK. The markets were good on London Open, but then the volumes died off pretty much. Not much, but earn enough to hit my targets for the week. That's good. That's good. That's good. I got another payout and stuff, and I did a live payout request on YouTube last Friday. On Friday, I did a live request. Got the payout within like 2 hours, 1 hour and 50 minutes. Absolutely brilliant. Yeah, I'm gonna be getting another challenge as well, so I'll stick that on the trade copy. Yeah. Thank you. That's about it for me, really. One of my other funded accounts is up 4%. I took a short on gold, got tagged out a bit early, so I took a teeny loss on there. I just need to make 0.5% on the account so I can request that 4% payout. Then it turned to 4.5%, obviously. So here it was. I moved the SL a bit lower and it tagged the SL, and then obviously it dropped down. Been chippy choppy, so just keep an eye on how gold ends up moving. Anyway, to see how that was. Do you do your own trading? What do you mean? Do I do my own trading? Yo. Are you looking at anything, Mwangi? Trade-wise? Like, are you looking at anything? I'm building my own personal account. So when I get this payout from the 50k challenge, which should be about, well, 80% profit split. After the profit split in USD should be about $2,000. After that, I'm gonna get another 200k account, and then the rest going into my personal, which is IC markets. But I set up another IC markets account. That's raw spreads and stuff. I'm gonna be trading that alongside. I'm just gonna stick it on the copier in it and then just trade alongside that. That's gonna have more of aggressive risk, probably like 2 to 5% per trade. Yeah, because I target high risk reward. If I take 5% risk and I catch 1 to 20, bro, I've almost doubled my account. Almost.
Ollie with German IFO.
I have doubled my account if I catch a 1 to 20. So yeah, it's the benefit of trading high risk reward. So yeah. I'll probably go with about 2-3% realistically. About 2-3% sounds like a good safe level, to be fair. Nah, I'm looking for a trade. I did want to go long, but then there's a lot of like invalidations and stuff, like price breaking to the low side, breaking structure to the low side. A lot of volume coming in from there, like bearish candle, bearish candle, bearish candle.
Spot 1, 88 spot 1, lower than forecast, 88 spot 5. Still
Oh, that's
waiting for
German
the rest of the
IFO.
IFOs.
Okay, German alpha is right. So now we've got clean
Current
trading
conditions,
window till
85
11
spot
o'clock.
6, 85 spot 6, higher than forecast, 85 spot 5. Just waiting for expectations. 90 spot 6, 90 spot 6, lower than forecast, 91 spot 6.
Yeah. That 205 level was beautiful on GJ, that 205 level. Which is pretty much where we're trading at now. But price is a bit, let me go on M15 and I'll show you in it. Price is a bit kind of lackluster across all the pairs. I think it's a bit, you had London Open big volume, now we're just slowly contracting on euro. Pound's just falling, obviously, after that big move is fully filled in that gap. CHF did a big move and then it dropped all the way down. So CHF has done a bit of a move, but on M1 it's been disgusting price action, really bad price action on M1. GJ on M15, we were ranging yesterday, or Friday even. We were ranging on Friday, and then obviously today it's looking a bit chippy choppy as well. But I want to kind of go long and stay long until we've taken that high, which is London's high on Friday. Then might consider potentially going short from there. Other than that, there's nothing really going on. Okay, right, we're at Asia midline now for CHF, GBP CHF. Let's see if we get any type of movement from this Asia midline level. I did want to go long here on gbpjpy, but we had a higher low that led to a higher high, that led to a higher low, that led to a higher high, and then we broke that structure there, which kind of invalidated this long zone anyway. They kind of invalidated that zone, and because price broke structure and tagged straight back into this demand zone within 1 minute, I wouldn't have even been able to take it from that level. So yeah, but it did end up holding, as you can see, but that's an invalidation for me. So that's an invalidation, so I'm not going to take it. And obviously invalidations can give you profit, which is fine, but all that is just showing me that I'm glad I didn't take that trade. Yes, price is running in the right direction now, but on the next time it might not run in the right direction, so you just got to kind of stay disciplined and follow your plan, follow your reasons to take a trade, follow your reasons to stay disciplined in not getting enticed into that trade, even when you have a reason that's telling you don't take that trade. And then for me, like, that's my initial entry. I don't like entering after there, because then price could move 80 pips in one direction, give you 3-4 entries, and the one that you could take might be the one that's going to typically reverse. So yeah. Price has been a bit interesting. If it's a no trade day, I don't mind. I'll look at New York, see if New York does anything. If not, then obviously that's fine. No problem either way. Other than that, anything you guys are in or looking for even? Oh, building a bit of a channel later. I'd like to see price drop down, take these levels out, then try to give a confirmation for longs. Or price come up, take this level here, this little black line here, and then potentially give confirmation for shorts. That's all I can think of. So I'm just kind of sat on the sidelines waiting until one of those things happens. Which is fine, nothing wrong with that. Nah, markets are a bit flat, bro. Markets are just a little bit flat right now. How about you? Did you get into anything or not? Euro did its move and then it consolidated and now it's slowly pushed up again. No. I went to meet a teacher. Yeah. So yeah, markets are a bit flat, bro. A bit flat. Yeah, I just seen that as well. I don't, you know me, but I don't really pay attention to all that stuff. I just focus on my trading, that's it. I just owned the car that I race in. I got rid of my everyday car because I don't really use it. So I've only got a racing car at the moment. No, we don't have those in the UK. Like, there is some, but they're not popular in the UK because our petrol is so expensive. So we don't have those types of cars. You do get them, but they're not popular. Because America, you get them all in America because they're cheap cars, but not in the UK. It's all over Dubai. Yeah, but it's because petrol's cheap. Like, the fuel is cheaper than the water, bro. It was before. I remember like 10, 15 years ago in Dubai, yeah? And in UAE and Saudi, 1 liter of oil was cheaper than one like bottle of water. No, it's not expensive. It's just become a little bit higher, but it's not as expensive as like the UK. For 1 liter, we pay like £1.60, £1.70. Basically $2 for 1 liter, bro. It's crazy. To fill up a tank on like a small hatchback car. Small hatchback cars have 40 liter tanks. Normally, like it costs like £65, 60 quid. So about $75-80 to fill up a small car. That's expensive. You go to Dubai or Emirates, it's probably like $20. That's nothing. Honda. It's the one that's on my channel. If you look on my channel, on my videos I've uploaded, it's that car in it. It's an old Honda Civic that I used to race. I did have an everyday car, but I stopped using it, so I sold it. Yeah, good car, reliable, and the engine's good. Got a feeling nothing's gonna happen, but I have to sit and wait. Yeah, Honda's good. Honda's good. Good brand. Reliable. But the cars are expensive, man. In Emirates, I was looking at the cars. They're really expensive. Oh, Lexus is nice. What does your dad do for work over there? I'm just gonna pay for TradingView Premium now and just get it out the way. Explore offers and that's good. Okay, so TradingView's gone up a little bit in cost, but not really a lot. So it's $240. Now it's $272. That's $33 more. I don't mind that. That's not bad. That's okay. That's fine. So now it should be till November 2026. Done. So just he's retired. No. Dirty, bro, proper dirty. You look at the we trade pound a lot, bro. Look at pound going down the toilet. The economy is bad. It's the worst in Europe. Out of all the European countries, the UK is the worst at the moment. And they still have the arrogance to act like they're so advanced. I want to have a look at gold. You did end up pushing for taking that zone out. So gold did push up and take that zone out. Oh, basically, I wanted to look what discounts they had, so I made an account and I just put any name in there, any address in there. And now they're saying that, if you want to buy an account and use a trade copy, you have to have the right name on there, right details on there. So they're just changing the details and stuff for me on the account. Once that's done, I'm gonna buy the 200k. So I'm just waiting for that. I've just bought premium now, TradingView, so that's done. I was planning higher studies in UK. It's good to come here and relax and have freedom and stuff like that, and drink and do drugs and that type of thing. But if you want actual education, it's not that good education. Maybe Emirat has better education. Maybe America has better education, but UK is actually not improved. In the last 20 years, the UK is not improved. It's kind of all the same. Like studying while you are high or something else. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, studying while you're high. Exactly, perfect. Oh, what did he do before? He's just a taxi driver. Nothing amazing, bro. We're poor people. Nah, I left my son. I'm currently gonna finish BTech and do MTech or MBA, go UK. Yeah, but she got a few years, man. Yeah, no problem, mate. We have what's it called? Open plan garden. You can just put a mattress in the garden and go to sleep. Open plan, well ventilated. He even has a racing car, so he can use to go to school.
We have sort of a problem here.
I know, he's really funny, man. He's really funny. Yeah, price is choppy right now, man. Look at this. Absolutely horrendous. And then you got gold here, man. But to be honest, even if I set it at this high, I would have still took a L anyway. So yeah. Oh dear. Oh dear. Yeah, he probably just popped in to say hello and then left. My streams are a bit more relaxed, aren't they? So yeah, it makes sense. Or he's probably packing up from the office, so he's listening in the background. Don't know. Yeah, but it doesn't have to go down right now, which is why I'm looking at price action. You know, because I understand fundamentals, yeah, I don't trade fundamentals, but I like to know them and understand them. And one thing I've realized is on the lower time frame, M1, M5, M15, just because the news come out so bad for pound and so good for yen doesn't mean it's going to go down now. It might take a few days, a couple of weeks, maybe even a month to start going in that direction. And that's why with me, when I trade M1, I don't care if everyone's saying it's bullish, it's bullish, it's bullish. M1 can be bearish, I take a trade on M1. Literally, like, it's just following price action. And I have zones where reactions happen. Obviously, New York high, New York low, blah, blah, blah. And if I can't find that, then I just read internal price action. What's this looking like right now? Build up there. Damn it. Build up there. Build up. Sweet. Break structure. Got a demand zone there. Go long. Got build up here. Price might want to take this level and push up from there. That's all I could see, just following there. Which is why I wanted to take buys, because that's what I was thinking anyway. Not necessarily because of this build up, but because London Open come down, took these lows. That's what I was thinking. Although yes, you could say those lows or these lows here, both very valid. And then gave bullish price action and stuff. But then the issue was, we had this structure here and then we broke that structure, which kind of made me think I don't want to long from here if you broke structure to the low side. It's going down slowly. No, it's a very low volume pair. This move is a big move. This is a big move for GBPCHF. This is like exceptionally big. Normally it's a low volume pair. But the reason I like it is because the price action is clean. But since you've had Trump and the elections and all this stuff, it's been behaving weird. Oh, you mean Euro GBP? Yeah, it's like Euro GBP, but more volume than Euro GBP. Euro GBP is worse. Yeah, it's a very range band currency, which is why you don't see people trading it. It's a great currency if you need to do minimum trading days. Like, you know, if they say you have to do so many lots or something like that and you just want a quick trade to catch a break even, just take a long on it, leave it for 10-15 minutes and close that break even. Because it's not going to go up, it's not going to go down. Yeah, that's what I mean. You have to think about the smart ways to get around things, bro. The smart ways. If the rules don't say you have to trade a certain pair, then you trade whatever beneficial for you in it, which is what I would do. I would 100% do that. Like minimum trading days. Oh god, yeah, look at that on GJ now. I like that. So I wouldn't have gone short here because that's technically a demand zone here, yeah. So for example, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. We'd say higher low. This made a lower high, yeah. Now this here is a demand zone. Price is tagged that demand zone. So obviously if you went internal on price action, higher low, higher high, higher low, lower high. This is technically a high low because it broke both of these highs. Higher low, lower high, lower low. Too many colors. So like this, yeah. Then yes, you broke structure here, but you've tagged this demand zone here, so you cannot short from here. I would not do that. But now it's come down, took all these levels. Now I want to go long. If it gives me entry for long, I'm gonna take it. But this 930 around the corner. Oh, this is looking good. Bro, no, they have a 20% discount. They have 20% discount, but that's it. I think it's ask them in it. There's a discount code for 20%. They're a really good prop firm, but they don't allow trade copier, so I can't use them. They only allow copying between their own accounts, so I can't use mine, unfortunately. Otherwise I'd have gone with them ages ago. They're really good. My friends had payouts with them before, a few payouts. I think he had 130k payout as well. And as he said, there's no problems. Oh, look at that. Yeah. And obviously, like, everyone says good things about them as well. So look at that. Yeah. I don't care about that. Actually, if the owner trades that for me is a scam. Actually. But because everything else matches up, I'm willing to go with it. He ain't trading, bro. I'm telling you, he's not trading. Why is he gonna trade? He's making millions. Why does he need to trade? He's probably gonna obviously use the profits, take his A+ setups and highly leverage it. That's it. Yeah, okay. Yeah. To me, when traders set up prop firms, it's the sign of a scam. It's a big sign for a scam. I'm a trader with a prop firm. Oh god, everyone be careful. Here comes all the dodgy stuff. Yeah, but why would he teach how to trade when he's a prop firm? That doesn't make sense. It's a demo account. Yeah, exactly. His high probability setup is basically people like Kamal. I'm joking. I'm sorry, I'm sorry.
Emotional damage.
Oh, by the way, you can use trading position data to counter trade on a personal account. I don't know what that means, but it sounds good. Sounds brilliant, in fact. So you've had that massive sell off there right at 930. We've come, taken out this low here. I really want to go long in GJ. What's GBPCHF look like? This looks like a pound weakness issue. This looks like a pound weakness issue, I think. I was gonna go M15, why not? Stupid gold. You stupid gold. Fundamentals are playing out. Possibly. Or the fact there's this channel right here and it's just fully took that channel out. Could be both. Fundamentals don't you know, if a news happens straight away, yeah, the market, it doesn't necessarily have to price it right away, if that makes sense. let's look at GU. Woo. We've come to cut Frankfurt low. Oh, actually, yeah. What the money? Let's see if pound's gonna do something. What if it's not gonna do anything? I need to sell Bitcoin down the toilet. Yes. Yes, sell it into the toilet and then flush. Oh dear. Then we got Asia low right here, which is nice. Because then that can go for 4 p.m. And we got those lows there. This is going to be for New York, like the New York window type thing. I think that's going to go over to Tuesday. Actually, no, it could still come to that. Just keep that there. I mean, that's a bit too high. I think for New York session, damn it. There. And where's the high? There, and I'm gonna look at these lows here. For euro, I'm gonna get rid of this because you don't need them anymore. What about CHF? Would you long GBPJPY all that sell pressure? Yeah, because for me, if I get confirmation, I will. Yeah, but this is gonna show us if we get confirmation or not. I'm just gonna keep that there. Set that there. Delete that one. Get this. Long that. Got that zone above it. Beautiful. Yep, there you go. That looks nice. And then we got GJ. What's GJ looking like on M15? So we got that level there. Then we got all of these lows here. 41, 37, 37 goes over to 4 o'clock. What the Baini? Then I'll probably cover Asia low also. So that's the zones I'm looking at for New York. So yeah, there we go. Would you? Yeah. So basically for me, yeah, when we see a massive sell pressure and momentum coming in, depending on what time it is, depending on the context, I'm not scared of it. Like if I had the sell limit or a buy limit and price flew at me with this volume, I wouldn't get scared. I'd still take it. Because why are you going to be scared of volume in the market? I don't understand. If your analysis is right, you're going to take that trade regardless, aren't you? So yeah. Hello, welcome. Timmy. I'm going to call you Timmy. Hi Timmy, welcome.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
Way, brother. Are you Kenyan? Please say yes. Karibu Undugu. I'll be happy if he's Kenyan. Emilie Inopala in. sounds Kenyan. Anyway, hi, welcome. But yeah, as I was saying, there's no need to be scared of volume and stuff like that. Nigerian probably. Ah, not Kenyan. Okay. I got all the professionals in the house. Oh dear. All of my ndugus are in the house. Oteri Beni. We know our names. Yeah. I got you, that's fine. So okay, this is looking clean now because we've had this low, price come back, tagged that low, moved off from there. So we've had a lower high, lower low, lower high, higher low, higher high. But I'm not looking to go long straight off of there. I need to see price now because of the situation. I want to see price do this and then I want to go long from here. So let's see what it does, if it does that or not. If it does, I'm taking it. If it doesn't, then peak is slang for very unfortunate. Timmy left. Okay. I was just sending a quick email. And just tag that zone, move up again. Or tag this and then move up. suppose it doesn't really matter. I just needed to come up, break this level here, and then I'm willing to go long. Let's see what happens with that, if it gives anything or not. Was too short from 206? Was it 206? 205? 206? Where's 206? Oh god. I think, yeah, I think that's gonna fail, so I want to buy up to there. Obviously we're in a bit of sticky territory because pound is obviously weak right now and stuff, so we are in an interesting moment in price on GJ to see, is it gonna continue its bullish run, or is this gonna be the start of it potentially starting to come down? So let's see. What's Bitcoin looking like? It fell all the way down to 80. That was 36%. Wow. I think it's still going to keep falling. I think Bitcoin still got way more room to the downside. Yeah, come on, push up, give volume, break that zone. Come on. $32K, bloody hell. I don't think that's gonna happen. 32K, that's what the hell? That's proper level, bro. Shoot. 32K. At that level, there is no Bitcoin. Yeah, me too. Yeah, you're gonna see more flying men for sure. Which I think is stupid, bro. If you've made money once, why can't you do it again? Unless you got lucky. Yeah. If everyone's saying that, then I don't think it's gonna happen. When everyone says something, it doesn't happen. Yeah, man. Good target, yeah. 62, yeah, I'm looking at around that 62 level as well. 75 and then I think it's 65. Bitcoin 1 day. I've got 40% down is 75, and then 45% down is 45, and then what's 50? $50 is 6,300. There. So these are the three levels I'm looking at: 40, 45, and 50. And that's zone 58. About here then. So that low right there. What's 58 gonna be then? So about 53, 54%. Yeah. So I'm targeting these three levels first, innit? 40%, which is 75, 45%, which is 69, and then 50% is 63. I don't see price doing much more than a 50% drop, so I would probably start buying in Bitcoin then. Hopefully I've got some payouts by then so I can start putting a bit of money in Bitcoin. So yeah, just to kind of see where it goes. Oh, the yen. Yes, forgot about the yen almost, man. Damn it. We're coming up. I do like the look of this. So lower high, lower low, lower high, higher low, higher high. Technically higher low, tagging this demand zone. Yeah, that's good. I'd want it to break structure there and then potentially get in. Could have got in here, but I don't like how it was so close to this level. It was really close.
Kremlin says there's no plans yet for a meeting this week of Russian and US delegations.
Yeah, let's just see what happens with GJ here. I might be interested in getting in there, maybe.
Well, hello everybody, this is Donald J. Trump. You're behind the markets. If you're a real day trader, go real time at financialjuice.com/purchase and save 67% on a subscription. Isn't that one big, huge, brilliant deal? Come on, people.
Been about an hour and been about hour and 20 minutes now. Price has been ranging on EU. Hour and 25, almost hour and a half. GU's just been creeping down slowly, which makes sense. Weaker pair right now. I wouldn't even class that as a break. I would need it to do way more than that. But I don't like how now we're getting a bunch of equal highs. God damn it. 1, 2, 3. This could easily just be doing a bunch of highs to take them and then continue down. I might need to switch to shorts. I'm gonna have to be quick on this. I'm gonna have to be quick on this. I've got longs and shorts ready there now, just in case we get a quick flip of price. I can be ready to go short. Hey. What the hell? I don't like that. It's just a bunch of equal highs, man. I want like a proper, something more cleaner. I would want it to come down, tag this zone, and then break structure now. I want it to do this, to take this channel out that's just made, or ideally come down, tag this zone, then break structure and giving a new cleaner zone. Let's see what happens in it. Man, this is horrid price action. But I suppose it's expected, innit? Monday, first week after you've had all that data, innit? We had a lot of data last week, man. I think this is kind of expected. I don't like it, but I can't really change anything, can I? In the market. We had NFP, all that stuff. So yeah. There's a likelihood you might catch a trade and it is going to be in the next 5-10 minutes. So I'm just kind of watching carefully. GCHF is being horrendous. Pound, nothing. Delete all of them. Euro. Alright, so it's coming down now. I wanted to tag the zone and then push up. Otherwise, it's just going to fail and keep coming down. I'm going to try and look to get in shorts then if I can. But then I need to be careful where to go short from, because you got all these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equal highs right there. So if I was wanting to go short, price might come up, take these highs out, then push down. Last zone 32k, that's mad. That's mad. Price action is really bad today, man. The only move you had is London Open, that was it. Literally the first 10 minutes of London, that was the only move we had. It requires 90% correction happen bear all bear runs. I don't know about 90% correction. That's a mad one. 90% correction is a big correction, bro. So where's this come from? I'm waiting for it. I'm literally waiting for it. I got a feeling it might not happen. We're waiting. Either do this and then I can go long from here, or push up, come down, break structure, this high, which is supposed to be this high here, damn it, supposed to be this high here, and then let me go long. This is what I want, one of these two. In the next 4 or 5 minutes, hopefully, because if not, I'm done, boys. If not. Okay. So it's break structure, which is good. Now, is it gonna... tag this zone, go up from there, because obviously I'm not taking an SL this size. I mean, this is probably what, 12 pips, 7 pips. Yeah, that's way too big. So come on, make a low and then let us get in. It's looking better. Oh my god, like 3 minutes, bro. Give me an entry in next 3 minutes or we're done. Literally 20 seconds left, bro. And probably the next minute I could give it. I'll probably give it another 30 seconds or something. Yeah, too late now, done. Cancel the limits, unfortunately. Now watch it tag and fly off as soon as I cancel the limits. Just watch it do that. You already did a lovely little push up again. Well, look, if yeah, I mean, look at that. blows DXY, goes to 100.4. Okay, so basically, oh, the low of, okay, just a bit above that candle. Yeah, got you. Right, that's me done anyway, man. I wanted the entry on GJ, could not get it. Literally could not. Wait, what's this? Why is this like that? Why is this like that? No idea. Let's get rid of that. Nothing in GU either. Get rid of them too. Sit on M15, go back to M5. Or EU, nothing either. Yeah, that's me done, man. There was no trade today. The only trade that was the London Open move, but there's no specific entry for that as far as I could tell. I'm gonna draw out high of this, even though you're going to the zone just above it, because price might come take this zone, not take that zone and drop, because price can do crazy things. Let's go to CHF. What you doing? That's still falling. That's fine. Let's go to 15 on GU. That's perfectly fine where it is. And on EU, I want to have a look at the next level. That could happen in New York session, actually. It was just so close to the highs. I don't see that happening, so that can go over there. I don't see that happening. That can go over there, because that's how much of a pip drop? Just 30 pip drop. Not likely. Not likely at all, realistically. These are all still possible on the GU, because 30 pip up is possible, 30 pip down is possible on there. That's generally just more volume pair. Let's have a quick look at gold. What did gold do? So after I tried shorting from here, it took me out, gave a bit of reaction, and continued going up. So that's interesting. That's interesting. I'll see what New York does. See if I can catch trade in New York. But other than that, I'm pretty much done, unless you guys got anything you guys want to talk about. If not, then I'm done. Right, boys, I think I'm gonna go, unless you guys got anything you want to talk about. I'll give you guys a couple of minutes to write something or say something. Bye, take care. Okay, so Mal's out. Peace out, Mal. Thank you for coming. I'm gonna look for New York. New York might have a bit more volume. If not, then that's fine. I'll just chill. But I'm gonna take a look at New York anyway. See if there is anything clean, because I think this week's gonna have some opportunities. So I think we got a lot to look forward for this week. We got a German GDP tomorrow, and we've got US retail sales, US PPI. That's going to be interesting. And then 3 o'clock we got consumer confidence. That doesn't do much volume. And then on Wednesday, we've got jobless claims, which is going to be interesting. That's going to be an important one. Actually, that's going to be quite important for US. So Tuesday, Wednesday are going to be important. Thursday is going to be a dead day. And then obviously, I think on Friday, you've got US holiday. Yeah. Yeah, you got US holidays on Friday. I think it's Thanksgiving or something like that. Yeah, that's cool. Right, see you guys. Take it easy, man. Bye, guys. If I trade New York, I'll drop it in the chat. Peace out. Bye.